Hi, I'm Maria.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and today we are here planting trees at Northcote.
As you can see behind me, we've got a group of students planting our first series of apple trees. So these are 10 apple trees that were selected by a former student at the school, Martha Lowry and her husband, who have been extremely generous with their knowledge and their time, picked 10 different types of trees for us. And so the experiment this year is get them planted properly, and she gave us all those wonderful instructions as well. And then see how they do in their first year. Pick out the varieties that seem to like our soil and our climate and the temperature and those things, and then expand. And you might be able to see in the distance there's a bit of a rise, a bit of a hill, and that's where we're going to expand the apple orchard later on.
I want to give back to my community and just help keep this earth a happy and healthy place.
And on my free time, I just wanted to do something to give back to the school I love.
Well, it just adds to the diversity of the property, right? We've got a very successful garden project on the go right now. We've got lots of ski trails, and the apple trees are going to give us the possibility of a fall celebration with the apple orchard, harvesting the apples, and then possibly our own cidery and a celebration for that.